students, today we are going to start a symmetry that is based on the activity. Now in symmetry, what you have to do first, you have to take a craft paper. I hope everyone has taken a craft paper. Once again, we will do this activity. Craft paper you have to take. You have to fold it. See how I am folding. Fold it. Open it. There you are getting part 2 equal part. Now what to do? You have to take color. Ball beer. See. Two, three color you will take. Now after that, you will close it. Press. Open it. See what is coming here. The same picture. What is in the first part, the same part is on the second also. So this is what? This is our reflection. This is what? This is reflection of one side to the other side, and it is also called as symmetry. It is also called as symmetry. Now everyone show your first activity paper. Everyone show your first activity paper. Open it and show me. Swaroop. Open it and show me. Yes, very good, Rutwa. Aryan, very well. Other student also show me. Yes, very well. Saad also done. Very good. Yes. Now what you are getting, you can write in the chat. Now what you have done this thing. What name you will tell. Now what you have seen in this. Reflection. Very good, Tanishka. What you have seen? Reflection. Now when we are standing in front of the mirror also we are getting our own reflection. So that reflection is also known as symmetry. Now next I just want other student also to show me. Yes, Tanishka, show it. Tanishka, Danya, show it properly. Show me. Very good. Tanishka, she has used a red color, black color. Very nice. Darshan used green color. Very good. Other student, very nice. Trisha, just show it properly. You can see my. Very good. Very well. Yes. Sanskruti, very well. You have also done. Next, Hani Shukla, show me. Everyone will show the things what they have made with the first craft paper. This is the reflection. This is the reflection of the things. Very well. Okay. Now we will do our next activity. Now keep it this one side. Keep it this paper on one side. Okay. Now take new craft paper. Everyone take new craft paper. Take new craft paper. Now this is our second activity. Yes, take new craft paper. See. Yes. What to do first? You have to unfold. Unfold it. Make equal distance. Make equal distance, unfold it. Yes, everyone unfold it, make it equal distance. Open it. You can see the division part, divided part. You can see also. Yes. Now keep this paper one side. Keep this paper one side. Take thread. Take thread. I told you have to use thread also. This is our second activity. Take thread. Everyone take thread. Yes, very well. Bhageshwar has taken. Arya Penkar has taken thread. Vignesh, thread पहला ही कट करना था बेटा. Thread, cut and take. See my thread. You can see my thread. Yeah, everyone take thread. Yes, very well. Now what to do with that thread? You have to color this thread. Short. With this, you have to dip into one color and color it. Color it. Half of part with so many color, huh? Take so many color, mix it and color it. Okay, I'm coloring it. Keep downward and color it. Color the thread. Keep down the thread and color it. See, you can see over this, see, I have colored this part brown. Now the next part I will color in a different color. I am going to take blue color. It is of your choice, color it. You can take any color, color the thread half. See, you can see some part of is brown, other part I have colored with blue. Next also I will take. Now I am taking red color. See, I have colored red also. Color the thread. Don't color full thread. Leave this much also part. Don't color this much part also. Don't color full thread. Leave some part of the thread. Don't color it. You can keep down and you can color it. You can take saucer or any plate to keeping that thread and then color it. Now next I am taking color of yellow. It is of your choice which color you are going to take it. See my color, I have colored my thread. Now it's your time to color the thread by taking 2-3 colors. Half of color करना है. Everyone do this part. Yes, color it. If you have done, show me like this. It should be doing 2-3 colors. Leave this part, don't color this part. I hope everyone has done with the coloring part of thread. If it is done, write in a chat box yes, so that we can proceed further. Okay. Yes, very well, very good students. Yes, I think almost the student has done this part. They have colored it. Very good. Now what to do? Now your craft paper. Your craft paper that fold. See, keep this thread one side. Open it. Open it. Now what to do? You will keep thread over one side. One side you will keep your thread like this. See, I'm showing you thread you have to keep over here one side. In a way, what you want to do? सर्कल करके करना है, सर्कल करके करो, जैसे रखना है वैसे. Then fold this side. Thread should be down. See, some little thread is down for pulling the thread. Close this, rub. See, some thread should be down for pulling the thread. Press it. Now, done with this part? Have you done with this part? Okay. Now, pull this thread slowly, slowly. Pull it down. See, thread should become down. Pull it slowly, slowly down. Keep a thread one side. Rub the paper once again. Open it. Slowly open your paper, craft paper. See what you have seen. Only we have done one side, but it has came to the another side also. Reflection also came. So you can see my picture. Isn't it good? How it is looking? The same way, I hope you people also done very well. Very good. Others also show me. Others also show me how you are getting the pictures. Very well. I hope you people have enjoyed this session. First activity and second activity also. See, my picture is very nice or not? Yes, Arya Penka, just show what you have done. Now you are busy in thread only. Close it. You can see, rub it. Very well, very good. See how this is what? This is our reflection. This is our reflection of the thread. Very good, very good. Everyone is showing me. Mohit, what you have done? Yes, very good, Vignesh. Yes, Bhageshwar also very good. Mohit is not completed with the work. Complete it and show me. Very well. Ayush, Yadav, show me properly. Very well, very well. This is what? This is what our reflection. This is also a reflection. Very well. Very good, Tanishka. Very good. Yes, Fish also very nice. Now your craft paper and scissor. The third activity what we are doing. Now in your craft paper, you're going to draw a alphabet that is A. Draw a alphabet A in your craft paper. Everyone draw a alphabet A in your craft paper, or else you having other paper also, you can draw it with pencil, with sketch pen, with pen, whatever you're having, you can take that material with you and you will draw a alphabet A. If you have drawn, just show me. It should be big, huh? It should not be a small letter. बड़ा थोड़ा बनाना है as compared to the paper. Yes, very good. Bhageshwar is showing me. Divesh also. Kasturi also. Very good. Kshitej also showing me. Yes. Now what to do? Cut out करना है the letter A. Take scissor and cut in a shape of A only. Cut it out. Cut out करना है A letter का. See this, my A. This is alphabet A. Very good. Ayush Salunke, where is your alphabet A? Yes. Now everyone has done with the cutout of A alphabet. Yes. Now fold this. Fold it. Fold it. It's showing equal part. Fold it. Open it. Fold it. It's showing equal part. Open it. Now you can see a line over here. You can see a line. Make that line. Dot dot करके बनाओ that line. Make it. You can see a line. Make it. See this one. I have made a dot 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 line over the straight line which was folded and which was opened. You can see a line, the line of a symmetry. See, here also having the same shape, here also having the same shape. The shapes are different. Yes or no? The shapes are different. It is showing same shapes over this side also, left side also, and over right side also. So this line is what? This line is our axis. This line is what? Our axis. Now you can't fold also. You are going to fold this way only. You are not going to fold this way. As it showing the perfectness? No. So this is not an axis. So alphabet A having only one axis. See this line. One line only we can draw. So this is our one axis. Now we can take another letter. Now keep this A over a side. Take another letter, that is M. Take another paper and draw a letter M. Chalo, take another paper. Everyone, take new craft paper. And draw M, letter M. Draw letter M. Hello. Okay. Now the next craft paper you will write the letter H. I hope everyone has written the letter H. Now cut out of letter H. Take scissor and cut out. Cut out of letter H. Cut out. Very well. Now see. Now how many axes we can see over this letter? You can see we can fold this type also. This also we can fold. Open it. Now next you can fold like this also. It is showing the same equal part. This also showing the same equal part. Open it. So how many axes has been drawn for letter H? 2. Only 2. You can draw a line. Dot you can draw on that line. You can see over here, one line over here and one line over here. That is 2 axes can be drawn on alphabet H. 2 axes can be drawn on alphabet H. Now you people will show me. Very well, Sugat Mane. Very good. Others also show me. Very good. Yes, Vignesh Nayak, you have not completed. Very well. Makrant also showing me very well. Ayush, very good. Shri, very well. Very good. Vignesh Nayak, very well. Ayush Silankar, very good. Shwetlana, Vedangolap, very well. Sanskruti, what you're finding? Just show me the letter H. Very good, very good. Shwetlana, show me. Not your smiling face, your letter H. Very good, very good. Very good. Yes, Vedika, very nicely you have done. Mohit, very nice. He has make a cutout of real H. Very nice, Mohit. Rudransh, have you done? Okay, you have not completed, Shwetlana. You can continue and afterward you will show me. Very well, very well. Everyone has done with the cutout. Now the last letter, your name, first letter. Your name, first letter, you're going to make it cutouts karna hai, and then you will show me if it is having an access or not. Your first letter. The name of your first letter. Now this is an activity I am giving to you. Yours name first letter you will make in a craft paper. Then cut it out. Cut karna hai. Then you are going to tell me that whether it is having showing access or not. Do it fast, students. Yours, name, letter, first letter. Whether it might be the letter we have done, that also you're going to do it once again. The first letter of your name. For example, my name is Reshma, so I will start doing with my letter R. You also do, I will also do. See my letter R. Here is no access because if I fold like this, it is not showing. So R letter. Others also show if you have done with that thing. So here we have completed our one activity. Now we will just show all the things what we have learned from starting to ending. Collect all the material with you first. Then where is my other material? Collect all the material. Next is this one we have done. Then the letters, alphabets we have done. We have done today these all activities. Everyone show it all together. Collect it and show me. See today's activity what we have done. Very nicely we have done. Very good. Everyone is showing me. Makrant, very nice. Very good. Shri also shown me. Arnav Ghag, very nice. Other student also. Very nice. This activity we have done today. Kasturi, very nice. So here we have done with our activity. Symmetry. Symmetry means showing the reflection. And we have learned axis also. How many axes can be drawn through alphabet. I hope you people have enjoyed. Thank you for the cooperation.